Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down the controller and removing batteries. This prevents short circuits and accidental input. Once done, look closely at the thumbstick base and surrounding boot. Dirt or stray fibers often push the stick upward. Use a flashlight and a magnifier if needed. You'll need a Torx T6 and small Phillips to open the case. Have cotton swabs and 90% isopropyl to clean the potentiometer. Do this now so you can proceed without interruptions. You'll remove screws and gently lift the shell. Careful with ribbon cables, they disconnect with a small latch. Once inside, examine the potentiometer and the thumbstick mechanism. Grime or a bent spring causes upward drift. Use 90% isopropyl on a swab to clean contact points and spin the stick through its range while cleaning. This restores contact and removes conductive residue. Make sure the thumbstick cap and plastic grommet sit flush. Misalignment alters travel and causes the controller to read an upward input. When reassembling, reseat the spring and grommet precisely so the stick returns to center. Reconnect ribbon cables and tighten screws evenly. Once closed, reconnect power and test on the console. Use the controller settings or calibration tool to verify neutral position and dead zone. If slight offset remains, adjust dead zone or recalibrate. If persistent upward input continues, you likely need to replace the potentiometer or thumbstick module. This is the final step before professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.